Yo, we back with a small little vlog, man. We got Melrose back there, fresh off the road from Broward. Man, listen, I promise you I'm gonna drop the vlogs. I promise y'all I'm gonna drop the vlogs, man. But bruh, it's been crazy, man. When I say Broward was so lit this weekend, man, Broward was so lit. I'm talking about lit shit for real, man. But I'm on my way to the house right now. Finna go drop Melrose off. I got the vlogs. I promise y'all all the way leading up into the car show. Like, days prior, what happened after the last vlog. I promise y'all, man. I'm just dropping this right now. This is no edit, no nothing. This is just raw footage, man. I promise y'all, I'm gonna drop it. I promise y'all. Tomorrow. I got them all saved on my laptop. I just need to upload and just pick a time and just drop, man. But I got y'all. I promise y'all, man. Melrose back up. Woo! Showed her ass, man.